Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make him obsessed with you, the Margarita way. Forget complex strategies, the secret lies in a perfectly crafted drink. We'll start with the foundation, choosing the right tequila. Then, we'll move on to the crucial fresh ingredients that elevate your cocktail from good to unforgettable. Get ready to mix up some magic. Now, let's talk about the golden ratio, the key to a balanced and irresistible margarita. We'll combine 2 parts of your chosen tequila with 1 part of that vibrant, freshly squeezed lime juice. Then, we'll introduce 1/2 part of a quality orange liqueur to add a beautiful citrus note. Finally, a touch of agave nectar, about 1/4 part, will bring everything into perfect harmony. With your ingredients measured, it's time for the presentation and chilling. First, prepare your glass with a perfectly salted or sugared rim, a small detail that makes a big difference. Next, fill your shaker with plenty of ice, then pour in your expertly mixed margarita ingredients. Shake it vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds until it's thoroughly chilled and frosty. This ensures a refreshing sip every time. The final step is all about presentation and immediate enjoyment. Carefully strain your perfectly chilled margarita into your prepared glass, ensuring no ice dilutes its exquisite flavor. A simple, elegant garnish, like a fresh lime wheel or wedge, adds a beautiful visual and aromatic touch. Serve it right away, and watch as your perfectly crafted margarita works its magic, making him absolutely obsessed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.